Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Melita, and in today's video we are going to glitter up. For those of you who are new to my channel, hi, I'm Melita, I already said that, and please hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss any of my craziness. So today's video is completely inspired by nothing actually. I just want to show that glitter is for every season, so not only for the festival season, you can glitter up literally anytime you feel like and just enjoy it, you know? So without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. So that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, just glitter up. I'm like so happy with this look, I don't even want to take it off, and I still have another tutorial to film today, so I should. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and while you are already at it, why don't you hit that notification bell? Is my eyelash off? No, it's not. Okay. Don't forget to hit that notification bell either, so you know you won't be missing out on any of my future uploads. And thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays!